guys, I'm Sir Aldrin and welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, this is my first math tutorial and I hope na may matutunan kayo. Ang topic ko ngayon ay Laplace transform. So, papakita ko kung paano i-derive yung mga formula. Meron tayong tatlong example dito. So, start na tayo. Determine the Laplace transform of function of the following. F of t is equal to k where k is constant. Unang tanong dyan, ano ba yung Laplace transform? Ang Laplace transform is Laplace transform of a function of t is equal siya sa capital F of s of a variable s and it's equal to integral of e raised to negative st times f of t dt from 0 to infinity. So, sagutin natin yung number 1. F of t is equal to k, where k is a constant. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung formula, ay i-derive natin yung formula ng constant, ng Laplace transform ng constant. So, i-derive natin. So, find the Laplace transform of k, where k is a constant, is equal siya sa integral ng e raised to negative st. Yung f of t natin, syempre siya yung k times k dt from 0 to infinity. So, where k na, integrate na natin, to k naman to pwede natin siyang ilabas. So, k integral ng e raised to negative st dt from 0 to infinity. Tama. So, integrate na natin to. Is equal siya sa k times e raised to negative st over negative s from 0 to infinity. So, upper limit minus lower limit. Ganda yan. K times e raised to negative s times infinity over negative s minus e raised to negative s times 0 times infinity to over negative s. So, evaluate natin. Negative s times infinity, negative infinity. So, e raised to negative infinity, so 0 siya. 0 over negative s, 0. Kasi, may condition tayo na where s is greater than 0. So, k times 0 minus e raised to, negative s times 0 is equal siya sa 0. E raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, matitira dito 1 over negative s is equal siya sa k over positive over s. So, ito yung formula ng Laplace transform ng constant. So, ayun yung formula ng pag-constant pag kukunin mo yung Laplace transform ng constant. So, proceed na tayo sa number 2. So, find the Laplace transform of t. So, Laplace transform of t is equal to integral of e raised to negative st times t dt from 0 to infinity. So, dapat alam nyo rin kung paano mag-integrate tsaka mag-differentiate. Dapat, bago kayo mag-proceed dito sa Laplace transform, dapat kabisado nyo na yun. So, by IBP. By IBP. So, let u is equal to t. So, dt natin is equal, du is equal to dt. So, yung dB natin is equal siya sa e raised to negative st. So, integrate natin ito para makuha natin yung b is equal to e raised to negative st over negative s. So, iyan natin, input natin is equal to ub, u natin is equal to t times e raised to negative st over negative s minus integral ng, kasi ddu, diba? Ilalabas natin yung s, so magiging positive na to. 1 over s integral ng e raised to negative st dt. Tama. Integrate natin from 0 to infinity. is equal to t e raised to negative st over negative s plus 1 over s times e raised to negative st over negative s from 0 to infinity. So, upper limit minus lower limit na tayo. So, infinity times e raised to negative s times infinity over negative s plus 1 over s e raised to negative s times infinity over negative s minus lower limit 0 times e raised to negative s times 0 over negative s plus plus 1 over s times e raised to negative s times 0 over negative s. Alam naman natin na negative s raised to infinity, syempre di ba, dapat yung s natin is greater than 0. So, 0 na to. Is equal siya sa 0 plus, ganito rin to, plus 0 minus, negative s, 0 na to, 0 times e, so 0 na rin, over s, 0 na rin. So, s times 0, 0. So, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, matitira dyan is negative 1 over s squared. S squared. So, evaluate natin is equal siya sa 1 over s squared. So, ayan yung formula para sa t. Laplace transform ng t. So, proceed na tayo dito sa question number 3, may exponent naman. Sige, yan lang. Dito naman tayo sa number 3. F of t is equal to e raised to kt where k is a constant. So, e raised to kt. Substitute na natin. Integral of e raised to negative st times f of t. F of t natin e raised to kt dt from 0 to infinity. So, pwede natin pagsamahin kasi pares ng base. So, is equal to integral of e raised to negative s times plus times t plus kt dt from 0 to infinity. Pwede pa natin i-factor to. Is equal siya sa integral of 0 to infinity e raised to negative s minus k t dt. So then, tsaka natin integrate. So is equal to e raised to negative s t e raised to negative s minus k times t over negative s times minus k from 0 to infinity. So, upper limit minus lower limit, e raised to negative s minus k times t over negative times infinity over negative s minus integral minus e raised to negative parenthesis s minus k times 0 over negative s hindi to over sorry negative s minus k to then s minus k. So and it's equal to, alam naman natin na 0 na to, 0 minus e raised to 0 is equal to 1 over negative s minus k is equal siya sa 1 over s minus k. So, ito yung formula para sa may exponent. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa lesson ko. If you have a question regarding to this video, i-comment nyo na lang sa comment section. And syempre, subscribe nyo na rin yung channel ko. Pati follow nyo na rin yung Facebook account at Facebook page ko, ilalagay ko sa description. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching and God bless.